Hi and welcome to another informative video on Learn with Manzi. My name is Dr. Melissa and this information is regarding how to make people respect you if you're quiet. Please do try to understand the content of the video as it will help you to build a stronger connection with yourself and with others. Being quiet doesn't mean you can't command respect. In fact, quiet individuals often possess qualities that naturally garner respect. Here are detailed suggestions on how to make people respect you if you're naturally quiet. Confidence, posture and body language. Maintain good posture and open body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and avoid fidgeting. Speak slowly and clearly. When you do speak, speak with clarity and at a measured pace. This exudes confidence. Active listening. Engage actively. Even if you're not talking much, show that you're engaged in conversations. Nodding, making eye contact, and responding appropriately when required can demonstrate attentiveness. Expertise and competence. Excel in your field. Let your work speak for itself. Being proficient and knowledgeable in your area of expertise naturally commands respect. Set boundaries. Know when to speak. Choose your moments to speak wisely. When you do speak, make sure it adds value to the conversation. This can make your words more impactful. Be reliable. Consistency. Consistently deliver on your commitments. Reliability is a trait that earns respect over time. Lead by example. Work ethic. Demonstrate a strong work ethic. Be the person who leads by doing, not just by talking. Self-advocacy. Speak up for yourself. When it comes to your contributions or achievements, don't be afraid to advocate for yourself. Share your successes modestly. Embrace your strengths. Introversion is a strength. Embrace your introversion. Quiet individuals often bring thoughtfulness, reflection, and careful consideration to a team. Cultivate relationships. Build meaningful connections. Even if you're not the loudest in the room, build meaningful relationships. People respect those who are genuine and show interest in others. Handle conflicts. Gracefully, stay calm. In moments of disagreement or conflict, stay calm and collected. Your ability to handle stress with composure will earn respect. Continuous learning. Stay informed. Stay informed about industry trends and relevant topics. Knowledge is a powerful source of respect. Express yourself in writing. Written communication. If verbal communication is not your forte, express yourself through writing. Well-crafted emails or reports can showcase your thoughts effectively. Volunteer for responsibilities. Take initiative. When appropriate, volunteer for responsibilities. This shows a proactive attitude and a willingness to contribute. Advocate for others. Support colleagues. Use your voice to support others. When you stand up for your colleagues, it demonstrates leadership and earns respect. Be authentic. Be true to yourself. Authenticity is magnetic. Be genuine, and people will respect you for who you are. Remember, respect is earned over time through consistent actions and a demonstration of your values. You don't have to be the loudest person in the room to command respect. Your actions and character often speak louder than words. Thank you for watching this video. I want to mention that this is a result of some hard work of editing. Put in a video to educate people and make them aware on how to make people respect you if you're naturally quiet. If you like our contents, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter for our latest videos. Please give your valuable feedbacks in our comments section. Your support means the world to us.